Hola! Right, so we're going to be practicing more of the Dias de la Semana, and this is just a game that you can try at home. So I've written out the different days of the week and popped them down. So you can turn them over. Martes, lunes, miércoles, domingo, sábado, viernes, jueves, and then pop them into the right order. Remember, saying them out loud is really going to help you with remembering them. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. If you want something a bit trickier, you could write the words out and then cut up the letters, and then you've got to make the right words. So we've got lunes,